Hey, and welcome back to the Freezing Kitchen. I'm Annika, and today I'm going to show you how to make a restaurant-style linguine with shrimp and spinach. This dish is a winner for many reasons. It comes together within 15 minutes, it's so creamy and delicious, and I've been making this for many years now, and I thought I can share the recipe with you. Let's get into it. So you will need half a tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 garlic clove, half a tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1½ cup of heavy cream, 1 pound of shrimp and they are peeled and deveined, 1 pound of linguine pasta and reserve half a cup of the salty pasta water and 5 ounces of baby spinach. First off, cook your pasta according to the package instructions. So while the pasta is cooking, make the sauce. Peel and finely dice your garlic. Then place a big pan over medium-high heat and melt your butter. To the melted butter, add the shrimp and cook them for about 5 minutes or until they are pink in color. So after 5 minutes, add the garlic, stir for a couple seconds, but be careful, don't burn the garlic. Then you're going to add the spinach, salt and pepper, and let this all cook until the spinach is all wilted. The spinach is all wilted. Now add the sour cream, work it all in, then pour in the heavy cream and add the lemon juice. Now let your sauce come to a boil, then turn the heat completely down and wait until your pasta is ready. Our pasta is all cooked. Now I go ahead and reserve half of a cup of the water. Then I strain the pasta and add them to the sauce. Now take a spatula, mix it until well combined. Then you're going to add your half cup of reserved water and let it come to a boil for one more time. Turn the heat completely off when the pasta came to a boil. And don't you worry, all the sauce will be soaked up by the pasta and you will have a creamy, delicious dish. See how simple this was? You can make this awesome restaurant-style dinner within 15 minutes and your family will love it. And if you need a dessert to go with this, just check out my other videos. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!